Good afternoon, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wadi. I'm representing my MD from P1 Pro Realtors and Estates Limited. My MD is not around due to circumstances that is beyond his control. But be rest assured that Mr. Wadi is here to actually give you every information about the activities in our respective estates. Like we all know, P1 Pro is the latest and is one of the most efficient real estate business under P1 Group. We as well started this company in the last 3 months, and we have added 3 estates to the operations of this organization. I'll be here to present us the 3 wonderful estates that we have currently in our stock, and I will start from the first estate. There are 3 respective estates that is managed and sold out by P1 Pro Realtors and Estates Limited. I'll start from the list, which is Zion Garden Phase 1. Zion Garden Phase 1 estate is located at Igbogu, a town in Ibeju-Lekki. It is neighbored and is around the likes of the Dangote refineries, and is as well a neighbor to the well-renowned Lacan Tropicana. A plot of 600 square meters goes in this estate for 900,000, while that of 450 square meters go for 675,000 naira. Lastly, the last size of the estate, which is 300 square meters, goes for 450,000 naira. Zion Garden Phase 1 estate is an exemptional estate that we encourage our partners and our distinguished consultants to make sales here, because there are opportunities that is open to your clients on this estate. The next estate is Zion Garden Phase 2 estate. Zion Garden Phase 2 estate is located at Ibeju-Lekki. This estate is closely located to the popular Eleko Beach, and is along the coastal road that is linking from Eleko into Victoria Island, part of Lagos. From this estate to Victoria Island will be taking like 15-minute drive, which makes it a location that can be well and be sold by every partners and consultant. Here I have a video by my MD, since he's aware that he's not going to be in this month's Success Summit. Here I present to you Mr. Mike Akwete, the Managing Director of P1 Pro Realtors and Estates Limited. Sir, can you please give it a button, please? As far as this estate, Zion Garden Phase 2 is concerned, is when we look at the video closely, we can see that clearing of the estate is currently going on, and in the next couple of weeks, the clearing will be completed. I will start the fencing and gate house of this unique product. We all encourage our partners and consultants to bring their clients to sell of this estate. Initially, this estate goes for a sum of 2.5 million naira, but because of the uniqueness of this estate, the price has actually stepped up to 3 million naira starting from the first day of July year 2019. The 600 square meters of this estate goes for 3 million naira, while the 450 square meters of this unique estate actually go for 2,250,000 naira. Lastly, the 300 square meter of this estate goes for 1.5 million naira. It is limited in stock because we are doing it on the basis of first come, first serve. We can always tell our clients they enjoy a lot of unique opportunity in this estate. Lastly, for P1 Pro Realtors and Estates Limited, this is our latest estate that was launched on the first day of July year 2019. This is Zion Court Estate. Zion Court Estate is located at Powell Village. Zion Court Estate is located as Powell Village. It has a title of C of O. It's a buy-to-build site. It's a buy-to-build estate. What our client is required of is to pay a token or whooping sum of 12 million naira to acquire a plot of 600 square meters from this estate. And from there, they can go ahead to build their edifices. The 450 square meters of this estate goes for just 9 million naira only. It goes for just 9 million naira only. And lastly, the 600 square meter is just for 6 million naira. It's just for 6 million naira. However, my MD actually have a message for us that the GoPro program is currently going on, and registration has actually commenced in sense of this, that every of our partners and consultants are open to this very wonderful opportunity for us to be a part of this journey or this trip. We are expected to be at our office at CDV Road, Ologolo Road, opposite Epiphany. Consultants and partners who are qualified, who will be qualified, because we are very much positive about this. We are taking nothing less than 20 of our partners to Las Vegas trip. I'm expecting someone to have a round of applause for that. A round of applause, a round of applause. So on this note, we have the best salesperson for the month of June from our own affiliate. The name of the best salesperson in our own affiliate goes to Mr. Damilare Michael Adetayo. I don't have the power to present the gift, but Mr. Damilare Adetayo can come to our office at CDV Ologolo Road to catch their prices. On this note, I'm dropping the baton. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, partners and consultants. May God bless us all.